Hi guys, in this video I show you how to create a Key.AI API key and connect it to NHN. This works the same way both for self-hosted and cloud-based NHN instances. Unlike OpenAI, Key.AI does not use a built-in credential type in NHN, so we're gonna do through HTTP request nodes, which you can see in this little workflow I made. I'm gonna give you this for free later on, but here is the HTTP request. This is a post node, and with its value and after bearer you're gonna paste your Key.AI API key. So let's get started, guys. Okay, and this one here is not a Key.AI. Okay, so you search for Key.AI, Key.AI, and this is how the first page is gonna look. And if you don't have an account, make one and click here, API Market. And then here on the left sidebar, you can see where it says API Keys. So click it. And the blue button here with the plus, create new key. Click here. And then enter a name you like, NHN. Easy to remember. Create. And then copy this. And this is the exact API key you're gonna paste into the HTTP request node. So let's click here, in my little workflow, and then you paste it where it says bearer here. So it's gonna be small space between the API key and the bearer. So this is exactly how that. Now you can use image generators, video generators, so on. Let's paste it here too. And you're gonna need to paste it in every single HTTP request node that wants to talk to Key.AI. But that's is about it, guys. So yeah, take care and hope you have a good day. Peace.